Bonjour, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. What a nice, wonderful Friday morning it is, November 7th, in the Commonwealth of Dominica. It's a weather that says stay home, but some of us have to go to work. So those that can stay home and cuddle and pack up and make babies, happy for you. Oh my God, it's raining heavily. Well, let's just take in some of Signal Band Shelly and Trinidad Soca sensation Farmer Nap. Cooking. And that is the weather McMurray was talking about, you know. We need people, and I believe Mr. Skerry also referenced that type of weather. When you see that weather, is watch your partner and say, hello, let's make something happen. The children are already in school, it's just the two of us at home. My income, your income, I think we can do with another child. You know, we're close to 40, but we'll give it another go. So all the people who probably gonna get pregnant this morning, I say congratulations. Lucky you. But we need people. We need double the population that we have right now. Population encourages investment. So make hay while the rain is falling. In the meantime, I'm giving all of the music. I'm setting the mood. I'm setting the pace, the tone for productivity. So I'm gone. And I want to ask this state, anybody who gets pregnant today, I mean, we do the calculations when there is delivery, and we give them some grants, okay? A productivity grant, about a 5,000 in your hand for just getting pregnant today, the 7th of November. Make your child sometime next year. If it's July or so or whenever it is, the 9-month period will expire. But let's give somebody a grant for getting pregnant today. Especially if they're listening to Shelly and Farmer Nappy cooking. So if you're cooking now and the cake will bake in 9 months, I think you should get an award. I think the weather will be like that tonight as well. So if you miss it this morning, try again tonight. Or if you try it again this morning, do it again tonight. Increase the probability of productivity. But big up on yourself. That's it.